Hey guys, welcome to my channel, or welcome back if you've been here before. Today we're doing a Goodwill haul, but not just your ordinary Goodwill haul. I'm also going to be going through some stuff in my closet and like trading out. Something I like to do when I do like a pretty big clothing haul is I really like to like go through some things in my closet and get rid of stuff to make room. I don't always do that with every single piece, but I like to just be like, I don't need these things anymore. I have better, you know? So without further ado, let's get into it. First, this top. This is actually kind of two hauls, except I had to return some things. And then with the money, a little bit of the money that I used to return some stuff, I got some more stuff. First is this top. I believe it's a small. It's from like a Walmart brand, but really cute little purple top with like this little bow. Adorable. Love it. Then we're going to talk about some off-season things. I got this. It is extra small by Workshop Republic Clothing. It's like a button-up top, like a button-up, you know, it's so soft. I can't describe to you guys like how soft it is, but maybe you can like see how soft it is. This one came with a tag on it. It's $78. $78 tag on it. Like, how wild is that? I got it for $5. It has $78 tag on it. It is so soft. I wore it to work the other day. Perfect, like just perfect. Then today, I saw this sweater hanging up, okay? From a distance, from afar, I saw this sweater hanging up. And I was like, that's a beautiful color. I love that like lime color. I have to go see what that sweater is. So I walked over to it. I flipped it around. Bam. Birds. Okay, little chickadees. So yeah, I bought a grandma sweater. Who's gonna stop me? I'm so excited to wear this. I tried it on. It's so cute. I did get some pants, some jeans. These like, kind of like, oh, they're really stretchy. These like paper bag sort of jeans. These are from that same brand, that SO or So or whatever. These are high-rise mom jeans. They're $125. Love these. So I wore this. I can't believe I found this. So they had this put on the hanger, like completely scrunched up on the hanger. I was like, what is that? Like, it looks so interesting. Why is this just like scrunched up on the hanger? Because they had it on like a normal hanger. Jumpsuit. I think that's what you call this. A jumpsuit. Okay. Absolutely stunning. But it's missing like the straps to hang it up. You know, those like little clear ones. It doesn't have those. So they just like put it through this hole, like through like a leg hole and through this. And they just like put it on a hanger like that. Okay. Nobody was going to buy that. But then I laid it out and I was like, I'm going to buy that. This is a small. It's from American Eagle. It is so comfortable. This is like a perfect summer thing. It's very flowy. Today, we were walking around Goodwill, and there was something that somebody clearly had went to like the dress section and pulled it out, and then like decided they didn't want it in the middle of a random aisle and just hung it up on that end. You can't see the bottom of it, but it is just like a yellow striped baggy jumpsuit. Okay, and it has these adorable little heart buttons. I picked it up. I was like, that's really cute. And then I saw it's by Stony Clover. It's an extra small. Looks like a Target logo, so maybe it's Target. I'm not 100% sure. I was like, that is like so cute. It was an extra small. I was like, well, I'm gonna get it. It needs a belt, I think, for me. Like, it's baggy, and I understand it's supposed to be baggy, but I think if I threw a belt on with this, I would absolutely love it. I already love it. I'm wearing it tomorrow. But like, someone just like hung it up, and I'm like, well, that's really cute, and it's coming with me now. Then I got this black romper. You guys, like, are you kidding me? This black romper, it is so cute. It has pockets, okay? And it has these cute little ties. Now, I will say the ties are a little odd. I have them tied the best I can. But, like, it has, like, one really long string and one really short string. If you know what that means, please tell me, because I don't really understand that. I think this is from Shein. I'm pretty sure I found a Shein tag on it. Yeah. This is a small. It's from Shein. Not my favorite to get, but, like, it is really like a thin fabric, so really nice for summer, even though it's black, like it's still thin and airy. I will put, well, you guys are going to see me wear it. Actually, no. For this one, I probably won't try it on. I'll just post a picture of me in it because I already wore this the other day and I wore it with a really cute outfit. So I'd really rather you guys just see it with my cute outfit than me trying it on. Then I believe this is another Shein. It's a size small. This one is like, it's still thin. Well, all of it is, but it's really soft, actually. It's very soft. Oh my gosh. Well, I'm just noticing all these spots on it. I don't know if you guys can see that, but I'm pretty sure I can get that out. I like almost wore that and didn't even see it. I haven't washed it because I saw the tag on it. We'll see, but that probably comes out easy. It has like the bra, like button up. So it's kind of like, supposed to be kind of like a corset top sort of thing, but it's just all like this really soft, stretchy material. Another thing from Shein, I didn't even realize that. This is a size small. Is this cute little floral top. It reminds me a lot of the one I'm wearing. Kind of has like that similar like pattern in it. See? Absolutely adorable. And it has these really cute little pearl buttons. I'm obsessed. It is so stinking cute. I love it so much. And I feel like this is just going to pair so well with like a little, honestly, over a dress or also like with a little skirt. So excited. Then I got this top mostly for work. I'm pretty sure I can wear this to work. It's by Universal Thread. It's an extra small. It's just like your average tank top. It has this cute little like frill neck, which I think is adorable. And it's just pink and white stripes. So that'd be great for summer and just kind of like, I thought it looked kind of businessy. If you guys can't tell, I mean, some of these things are really out there. I really like to pick up like the things that are super out there. And today this is by, I don't know how to say that. Whatever that is. This top, oh my gosh, it is so cute and it fits me so perfectly. It's just like another like kind of like a corset top, but it's not. It's like just a stretchy cloth, but absolutely stunning. Absolutely love. Super excited. So now I gotta go through my closet and see what we're getting rid of. First things first, how many tops do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4. Technically 5 tops. I'm not counting the sweater because that'll go over with my sweaters. Those are in a separate place. Okay, let's see if I can get rid of 5 tops. Yeah. Another one. Okay, I successfully did 5 tops. All right, this is top number 1 that I'm gonna get rid of. It's really cute. It's from Shein. I bought this off Shein years ago. You guys may remember the video. I'm gonna get rid of this because every time I wear it, like this part doesn't have like any actual like support in it, and so it always like falls down. So yeah, so I almost never feel like I can actually wear this because I'm always like, oh, my boobs are gonna fall out. Like, that's not great. So getting rid of that. Then we have this top. This is from, I don't know how to say this actually. I got this at Goodwill and I really like this top. I think it's extremely cute, but I struggle to wear it because it just doesn't sit on my body right. Like I want it to sit like, I guess kind of like this, but it either sits like this or like down. I don't know. It's very weird. It doesn't fit on my body correctly. Then this, I've only worn this once. This is American Eagle, soft and sexy. It's really comfortable. It's very, very cozy. I'll probably try and sell these ones because all these clothes are in pretty good condition. I just don't ever wear it. It's very soft. I just don't ever wear it. Then we have this. This didn't fit me before. It has a safety pin in it because it already was too big on me, and now I've lost 15 pounds since the last time I wore this. So it probably still really doesn't fit me. It says it's a small, but I definitely think it fits more like a medium. Like, I think it fits a lot more like a medium. It's a really cute top, but actually I probably will try and sell this one because it's almost never worn. And then we've got this. I consider getting rid of this. in my closet declutter, and I didn't. And guess what? I still haven't worn it, so I'm gonna get rid of it this time. Okay, now we also have the 3 rompers. Now this one, because it can't hang up, I'm actually just gonna use a pants hanger that my boyfriend just bought new shorts. So I'm actually just gonna use that because I can't hang this up on a normal hanger. I'm not gonna hang it up the way they had it hung up. So yeah, so there's that. So I don't technically need to declutter anything for that, but I still might. You guys can't see back here, but back here is all my dresses and stuff, dresses and rompers. And I definitely think there's some stuff I want to get rid of. There's one for sure. Yeah, this one. Honestly, I've considered this one multiple times. I actually had it on Poshmark. This is from Shein. And I did finally wear it, but I still just don't like it that much. Like, I don't know. So I think I'm finally deciding, because I put it back in my closet and then again, like, wore it and was just like, it's just doesn't give me that much excitement. And this one, I got this one off of Poshmark. This is the brand. Honestly, I can't figure this bad boy out. Okay. Yeah, that's how I think I did it. I did it. It's like a neck strap. I can't figure this bad boy out, and it's short. It's very short. And so I just don't ever really see me wearing it, even though it's super, super cute. I'm probably going to reposh this because I'm probably never going to wear it. And this one I'm going to wear tomorrow. I saw a thing once and it was like, you know, thrifting do's and don'ts. And it's like, if you don't want to wear it tomorrow, just put it back. And like, I do get that. I get that. And I should get a little bit better about that, but I am wearing this tomorrow. I would love to wear most of these things tomorrow. And I know it's off season, but like, it'd be cool if I could wear this tomorrow. I would love to wear this to work on Monday, but it's like 100 degrees. Also, I don't know if I mentioned, it says it's a large. It's by Decorated Originals. It says it's a large, but it like fits me, as you guys saw. So, all right. Jeans. I have jeans. I think I probably have some jeans I can get rid of. I'm going to get rid of these. I wore these to work for my orientation. And this doesn't usually happen to me. They're high-rise slim straight by Universal Threads. They're a too short, okay? They're too short. So they're for short people. So I got them and I was very excited. They stop at my ankles. And maybe I'm just not used to pants fitting me like that. I'm not used to pants fitting me like that. But they stop at my ankles. So when I sit down, they like come up further than that. It's very uncomfortable. So my first day at work, I was like constantly trying to pull them down because they stop at my ankles. So yeah, I'm going to get rid of these because they're too short. Literally. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Hopefully you enjoyed it. Hopefully it was kind of fun. I like to spice things up, and now I'm trading out some stuff in my wardrobe. So, you know, the goal is to look at my wardrobe and be like, dang, oh, there's another thing I want to get rid of in here. Just like, you know, while I'm at it. I just don't ever wear this. We'll say I'm trading that out for that sweater. But yeah, I mean, I've got some really cute, unique pieces. I am just loving the thrifting. I really have a lot of unique clothes in there. I mean, most of my stuff is thrifted, so I really like to be able to like go out and like nobody's wearing the same thing as me. Unless I get something from Walmart. If I get something from Walmart, then everyone's wearing the same thing as me, I swear. Thank you guys for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed it. Please make sure to comment down below what your favorite thing was from this haul, or tell me what your favorite thing was you've gotten from Goodwill lately. I would really like to make a video of like my favorite thrift finds, because like most of my closet is thrifted stuff, and just kind of want to share with you guys like what I wear the most and like what I get the most use out of like my thrifted clothes. So yeah, Please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel while you're here. I'd greatly appreciate that. Another clothing video. Hopefully there'll be more to come. Just subscribe and enjoy whenever I post a video. All right, well, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.